Hi, Ken Wayman from Lowell Manufacturing. I'm here today to talk about the new LTCR redesign for tilt out with the controlled dampers. First of all, we got one key that locks the top, locks the bottom bay. Open that up, you got a controlled drop with the door. It's going to drop on its own, up to 50 pounds. Get it down here. Then we got a nice cover, nice riding surface to set your equipment on. Up here we got at the top bay that opens up. We've got 3U rail for mounting your equipment. Down here we got 3U rail down here. Then that'll close up. 17.5 usable depth. And that's it. And our website is www.lowellmfg.com.